After completing this lesson, you'll be able to select a profile to extend along a path and cut the feature from the model. To begin, open the F1 Car Sweep Fusion Archive file. The Sweep tool is similar to the Extrude tool in that it uses a single profile to create a solid feature. But instead of simply using a distance to define the feature, the Sweep tool uses a path. To start the Sweep tool, go to the Create pull-down and select Sweep. Select the profile that you'd like to use, and then select the path. Because this new feature will be passing through the solid model, it automatically takes on the cut operation. There are options for establishing a taper angle, which will work as a draft, or a twist angle, where you can take the profile and twist it as it moves along the path. This will give it a unique characteristic. When you have a preview of the feature that you want, simply click OK to create the feature. The sketches that make up the path and the profile can be modified to make changes to the sweep, either parametrically, or in the case of the path, you can simply click and drag elements of the path to update.